Yep, something on, yes! All right, now we can focus on getting to our fishing spot. Well, I think we're gonna get rained on a little bit, but let's keep going. Man, it went from being bright and hot to overcast and very windy. Holy shit. Did you see that? God, I was trying to set up a camera shot. I was trying to set up a camera shot and I just saw orange and I heard something that was way too close. Way too close. Right over. It's the light. It's the power line. Look, look, look. Right there. I know you're saying he's walking towards it, but I'm trying to get on the other side of the wind. I want to get upwind with that. I do not want anything going from that downwind to me. Those tree limbs are hitting that power line. I'm trying to find a safe place to be. Good God, that's insane. That's ridiculous. I've never actually, I've only seen that happen once, and it was when a car hit it. When I was a kid, I saw a car hit a telephone pole. But there is a power line that, I don't know how else to describe it except to say that it is almost blowing up over somebody's house, and I just don't know if they are aware. But let me give you the exact power line. Like periodically, I mean, like it sounds like an explosion going off, and you can see it in the trees. The address is.
Is this in Missouri City?
Yes, I believe we're still in Missouri City limits.
Let me transfer you to Missouri City. You got Sugar Land. Hold on just a minute, okay?
Okay.
The city of Sugar Land is active on Facebook, Twitter, Nextdoor, Instagram, and
Jesus fucking Christ.
stay up to date on city news that affects you.
It happened again. Hi, I'm calling to report a power line that keeps having like explosions, I guess you could call it, in a tree above a residential neighborhood. I've been transferred to this number. I wanted to let you guys know about a power line above somebody's home in a residential neighborhood that keeps having, I guess, what you would call explosions. Very, very, like, periodically, but like very bright, very loud, very fiery explosions in a tree above someone's home.
I'm sorry, what did you want to report, okay?
I'm trying to report a power line above somebody's house in a neighborhood that keeps exploding. exploding. You're the second person I've been transferred to. I'm just trying to let someone know before something bad happens or a fire starts.
You like the transformer?
You know, I'm not an electrician. I just see a power line and the lines keep exploding.
A power line? Power line? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'll wait for the location. I have for this specific point.
Yes, the location is...
What is the location? Okay.
That's the address of the home that is like right below it.
Okay. Okay. Let me report this in 5 miles at the point.
All right, thank you. I just want to let you guys know.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.
So everyone out there is like, when you're in trouble, who are you gonna call if you don't like the cops? I'd be dead by now. Okay, let's go fishing. This is where I wanted us to be. Right over here. Yeah, just a puddle in a concrete ring. But I wonder what's in it. It's interesting. Oh, there's fish in here. Look, I saw fish moving. There are definitely fish in there. How about that? There's fish in here. That's insane. All right, let's, yeah, see, there's fish moving in here, guys. Let's pepper it with a bit of really light tackle, like little worms on jig heads, and then we'll have a go. We'll have a go over there next. There we go. Just start with that. Wow, this wind is psycho. There we go. Come on, there's fish in here. I just saw him. There, again. Ah, rain. Why? This is obnoxious rain too. It smells good though. Again, right there. Did you see that? I saw that. There are fish in here, man. Whoa, huge bowfin. Whoa, huge bowfin. I don't know if I have tackle big enough to get that. Ah, there's lightning. I don't want to hide under a tree. You're not supposed to do that. But I also don't want to hide. I don't want to hide in that concrete pit. Gotta wait for this to blow over. God damn it. Well, this wasn't smart at all. My car does this really stupid thing where if the key fob gets wet, the doors won't open and the car won't start. All right, I think it's clearing up enough to hit the water again. Yep, something on. Yes, what is that? It is a bowfin. I knew I saw one. I knew it. Finally, I was right the whole time. Look at that. Beautiful fish, yeah? Check this guy out. Look at the green on him. Sorry, I've got this mask over my nose, but look at this gorgeous fish. What a gorgeous animal, my God. Look at the colors on him. Oh. Woo, what an animal. What slippery as all get out. So slippery. Watch, I'm gonna put him in the shallows. Wait, you guys watch him kick off. Come on, buddy. There he goes, look at that. I knew I saw one in there. There's gar in there too. I'm gonna have a go at a couple more, I think. The reason I have this on, really hot stagnant water like that has so much bacteria in it. If it gets in your face, it can do all kinds of nasty things to you. And I'm prone to anxiety anyway. So having this on keeps me safe and gives me peace of mind. Man, okay, so we know we got to come back to this spot for sure. Man, oh, and that creek looks good too. Ugh. Okay, but you know what looks even better is not going to the hospital. We're dying. We've already had a power line blown out, and that lightning bolt, man, that lightning bolt struck the ground. I do not want to get fried alive. And I bet you that pond right there's got bass in it. Okay. Definitely return trips out here. Yeah, return trips with topwater lures, I should say. Just try to get back to the car as quickly as we can. But getting struck by lightning is the flip of a coin, really. You very well may not survive that if it happens to you. It's kind of like falling into some of these bodies of water that I talk about how dangerous they are. Like, very good chance you don't survive those things. I can get out from under the power lines there. I don't like that. Those are the ones that were blown up earlier. Psycho day, man. Psycho day. I was originally going to do a river video. I'm glad I did not. Okay, our car's still there. That's good. All right, we're going to try to make it back without getting struck by lightning or killed by a faulty power line. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, you know. Whew. Hit the bell. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I would keep fishing longer, but I do not want to get fried by lightning. I suppose looking at all those towers out there shouldn't be much of a surprise. The lightning is hitting the ground over here. There's a fish right there, actually. Yeah, there's fish in here, but things are getting a little dicey. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Check out the Patreon if you want a bunch of maps and detailed diagrams of where I go fishing a lot of the times. And if you just want to support the channel in general, more is coming. And I'll see you guys later if I make it back to my car alive.